Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crème brûlée cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg yolks, 2 cups of rich heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt to really bring out those flavors. It's super important to have all your ingredients at room temperature before you start, as this helps everything combine smoothly for that perfect, silky texture. Let's get cooking. Next, we'll infuse our cream with wonderful flavor. Gently heat your 2 cups of heavy cream with about 1/4 cup of the granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Watch it carefully. You want it to just simmer, not boil. As soon as you see tiny bubbles forming around the edges, take it off the heat. Now, for that signature taste, steep a split vanilla bean or your preferred aromatics in the warm cream for about 30 minutes. This step is key for depth of flavor. Now, let's talk about tempering, a crucial step for a silky smooth crème brûlée. In a separate bowl, whisk your 6 egg yolks with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thickened. This creates a stable base. Next, slowly, and I mean slowly, pour about 1/3 of your warm, infused cream into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. This gently raises the temperature of the yolks. Then, gradually add this tempered egg mixture back into the rest of the warm cream. You're almost there. Finally, it's time for baking and chilling. Carefully pour your perfectly prepared cream mixture into individual ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the larger dish with hot water, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Once cooled, chill your crème brûlée for at least 4 hours, or even better overnight, for that ultimate creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.